Okay, so I am now inside Whole Foods and good luck to me. I hope makastig ako dun sa ginawa kong listahan. Naghahanap ako ngayon ng Japanese mayo. Papatulan ko na ba tong mayo o wala naman? Sige na nga, mag-organic light mayo. Bala kong gumawa ng hot sushi bake unquote. Oh, look at that. Every Tuesday, today is Tuesday. It's buy one, get one for 50. But then again, syempre, was na siya. Hello, can I have a pound of ground beef, please? This one. Yeah, thank you. Just a pound. So yung nakabalot. Minsan mas okay dito para sa mga butcher. You know what? If there's one thing na hindi kami nagpapawala sa bahay, firm tofu. Kasi wala ka nang maisip. You can never go wrong with firm tofu. Pwede mo siyang ihalo kahit saan o pwede mo siyang yun na mismo. Naghanap ako ng brie kasi there's this toast that I liked in Cheesecake Factory. Na toast siya, tapos may brie, may orange marmalade, and may konting lasa ng truffle. So, titingnan ko kung kaya ko siyang i-replicate. Siyempre hindi, pero it won't hurt for me to try. So anyway, I failed. It looks like wala siya doon because everything is like cheddar, Havarti. So it's not there. So it looks like I have to be here at the cabinet to find it. There they are. Kuha tayo ng brie. Brie. Dapat maliit lang. Ayokong magsayang because I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it like successfully. Lahat to plano ko lang sa isip ko. So, okay, I'm gonna get this one. It says Brie de Paris. Brie de Paris. Mild and creamy. Kunin natin yan. And I'm not gonna lie, I got it because it's cheap. It's only like $6.95 for that. Pinakamura na siya. My God. Okay, so that's done. So that is done. I think I have 2 more in my list. I'm just gonna get cranberries. Okay, here are the spices. I remember my mom. Ay nako, ang nanay ko, pinapadalhan ko siya sa balikbayang box ng mga ganyan. Ginagawa niya, dinidisplay niya. Tapos sabi niya, naninigas. Huwag mo kasing i-display, my gods. So like what I do now is, sobrang konti lang yung pinapadala ko. So I wanna make sure that they're gonna use it. So I'm gonna get this truffle olive oil. Siyempre, alam ko naman hindi talaga to yung legit na truffle. Parang 1% truffle taste, but I'll take it. Hindi ko pa nahanap ang cranberry, so I think dito na lang. Wala bang ocean spray? Minsan yun ang downside if dito ako pumupunta kasi yung ibang brands that I'm usually buying, you know, let's face it, like the one on the cheaper side, wala, but sige, okay na to. Maliit lang. Mahirap din yung masyadong malaki minsan. That's one of the things that I realized. I don't know, I think sa ano ko ba yun? Sa childhood ko ba yun? Alam mo yun yung tendency to bigger is better? Or yung laging dapat meron? I think, ewan ko, nabasa ko siya somewhere na kasi natatakot ako na mawalan. Parang gano'n. So that is something that I do not see in my husband. Or I think hindi lang siya masyadong greedy. Kagaya ko. Ako kasi may ugali ako ganun. I don't know if you guys share it. Like halimbawa nakikita ko na malapit na maubos ang isang bagay, I buy na. Ayoko nag-aabot na wala siya. Gusto ko nag-ano siya, may overlap ba? Ganun. Okay, I'm done with my mini grocery. It's 10 minutes to 6. So naghihintay lang ako ng ride ko. At natiis ko, hindi ako bumili ng madaming pagkain and ng chips. I just bought pineapples. I wanted sana yung mango chunks. Kasi po nakita ko ng hinog na mangga na slice na. I always do that. Pero my God, yung isang ganito kaliit, $10.99, parang hindi naman siya justified mga B. This one is only $3.40. Alam nyo, nasa bucket list ko pa rin talaga to be able to drive. Matagal na ako may permit. Talaga natatakot lang ako kasi ingrained din talaga sa akin yung fear of driving. I overthink a lot. But if you think about it, it's a skill na natututunan, diba? But let us see. Sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, especially pag winter or yung malamig, dun ko nare-realize how convenient it is. Okay, fast forward, I'm now at home. I realized, sobrang bilis na pala dumating nung ride ko. So, nagpack up ako kaagad while in the middle of talking. So anyway, now I'm at home and I am quickly preparing our dinner. I'm going to bake some salmon and corn, and tingnan natin kung maluluto ko pa yung Brussels sprouts with patis. Ang sarap siya, guys. That's one of the things I realized. I have never liked Brussels sprouts before, but lagyan mo siya ng patis and asukal. Caramelized lang. Ang sarap. So anyway, this is what I'm gonna do with the salmon. Na-carried away ako sa butter. Hindi ko na maibalik. So it's just the salmon strips with chimichurri. I found this chimichurri rub from Williams Sonoma 2 weeks ago, and mukha naman siyang okay. Okay, so I decided to make the Brussels sprouts na rin. Ayan, ganyan ang gusto ko. Yung lantutay na lantutay siya, hindi yung crunchy. And tinikman ko yung combination ng patis and sugar and honey. Okay naman. There's the corn and carrots. And here's the salmon. Nagsuswimming sa butter. Good luck na lang, may amlodipine naman kami mag-asawa. Ayun. So anyway, what is left for me to do is to change, take a shower, and eat, and wrap this very productive day. Thank you for joining me. I am having fun doing this.